What's going on? Who's here? Bertrand's here. Wait, no, it's yesterday. Do I have to refresh this? Oh, no, here we go. The Ibra dev is here. Who is this guy? Nice keyboard. Hey, thanks. New keyboard today. You guys are going to see it here shortly. Firth, Bertrand is here. Nixie is here. Vegan, by the way. It's true. Alexi's here. Look who's already up. Man, am I sleepy again? I can hear it in my voice. I'm just not sleeping well. Alexi, chocolate bar is in place. I'm gonna rock it. You're gonna eat a chocolate bar? It sounds delicious. What's up, Raven? Atish, checking out my music. What's up? Oh, Destiny 2 badge. What is that? Adam's here. Not me. Beware the leopard is also Adam. Why, hello there, Brisdengurgle. How am I supposed to say your name? You know, you put your friends in a difficult situation when you're not here to say your name for me, and your username is devoid of vowels. Well, there is one vowel, but it's like Brisdengurgle. Hello there. Good afternoon, Cohen Shipper. It's morning for me. Texoport's here. Oh, Etsy, what's up? Hold on, how do you know I am here? Did I say Etsy? What time is it there? 6:13 a.m. I thought I finally reached my weight goal, but then I went to the bathroom and I feel like I'm back to square one. Oh, Paul. You're funny. It's Polish. That should explain a thing or two. Okay, that does explain things like where you're from, probably. And I'm sorry for making fun of your culture and the way they spell things. I just knew, Etsy. I just know things. I hadn't even gotten to your message yet. Welcome to chat, Randall. What's your camera? It's a Sony A7S III. You speak Polish? Is that? Are you making fun, Paul? Welcome to chat, Annihilator. That is one sharp camera. Thank you so much. Is chat on the screen from yesterday? No. Okay. It's just from today. Okay, I forget I've got chat on the screen now. Interesting. I'm seeing the notifications of the website come up before they're on stream. Interesting. So they hit the website first, huh? You said Alexi. Yeah, Alexi. That's what it was. No worries. Hey, don't worry. It's a funny word at most. Where is YouTube chat? Oh, we got to stream to YouTube. Twitter is in there, just no one talks. Hey, if you're on Twitter and you're listening to this, maybe chat. Do a little chatting. We'll see it. I gotta grab my coffee. It's made. I just gotta grab it. Speaking of coffee, you can buy coffee. You can buy coffee too. But you can buy coffee from terminal.shop, but not the website. If you go to the website, you can't buy the coffee. You got to SSH. SSH terminal.shop. Figure it out if you're a developer. If you're not a developer, I'm sorry. It's kind of just a developer thing. Just for real developers. It's kind of exclusive. I'm not live on YouTube, but I should. I should go live on YouTube. You guys want me to do the live? I could probably do it right now. I could probably just hit the button. You want me to do it? Let's do it. Let's go live on YouTube. I gotta do it at some point. I kept thinking I was gonna go in and modify. Yeah, let's just look at the settings. Encoder. Do I want to do 3K or 4K? That sounds a little intense. I don't want to kill the current stream because I tried to go live on YouTube. But at the same time, might be kind of cool. Should I just send the current 1080p to YouTube? I could just do that. I heard they're using Polyfill IO. What? What's up, Rick? We're not using any Polyfill IO. We're also not using OpenSSH. So if you're like, oh, I heard about the OpenSSH vulnerability, you sure you want to put your credit card into that? It's safe. We're not using OpenSSH. So there you go. When are we shipping to Scandinavia? Great question, Eberdev. And I have a great answer for you. We're going to work on it on stream today. International shipping right before your very eyes. That's what we're going to work on. We got 5 minutes till the first ad break. So we can get rid of those stupid pre-roll ads. And then we're going to get to it. So only developers are buying coffee? That's right. We only want to sell to developers. Or people who have friends that are developers. Like my parents. My parents don't know how to buy coffee in the terminal, but my brother helped them because he's a developer. So there you go. If you have a friend, they might help you. So you haven't bankrupt the company buying packaging then? Nixia, I did spend literally all of our money. Me and Dax both had to wire more money in because I spent it all on packaging. Because I'm dumb. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. I mean, I'm not really a businessman, but I don't know what I was thinking literally spending all our money. That was stupid. You need our coffee in the Netherlands. Well, I need you to buy our coffee in the Netherlands so we can buy more packaging, so we can sell more coffee, so we can buy more packaging. And the cycle continues. That's my question answered. There you go, Ibra. We're gonna work on it on stream. I think I can get it done in one setting. Send it. What am I sending? You DM my address? Oh no, Bertrand. What I want you to do, Bertrand, is I want you to give me a real address in your region that's not your home, and we're gonna test things on stream with that address, if that's okay with you. And then you'll buy the moment you can. It's gonna be a competition. Who can hit the button first when I open up outside the U.S.? Can I place an order for just packaging? That's an interesting question, Dom. We'll just skip the whole coffee thing. We should look into it. Wind ship to Asia, Ocelot. We're gonna let people buy it from wherever they are on the world. Unfortunately, the shipping is going to be atrocious until we get roasters in your region, which we're working on. We want to have roasters all over. Hand-packed in Missouri by Adam. That's right. Not really, though. I don't know how, and it's funny how ironic it is, but using that SSH feels so much easier than buying something the normal way. It literally does. We like our team has been talking on Discord about how why does it feel so good to buy out of the terminal? Like it's so easy. Once it's saved your payment method, once it has your payment method and your address, like for subsequent orders, it's almost too easy. It's like you never want to get on the web again. You never want to use a browser. I don't know. Get more seed funding with this one simple trick. Spend all the money. Exactly. You're a business owner, I see. That's different from businessman. Exactly. I'm not a businessman. I don't know about profits and losses and those types of things. Get more seed funding. Oh, yeah, I already read that. Mr. Yogurt's here. Hi, handsome. What's up, Mr. Yogurt? The Shiloh's here. Welcome to chat. Welcome. Do you want to leak your address on stream? No, but I don't have a second house he can ship stuff to. I'm not going to actually ship it to you, Bertrand. We just need a real address in an international location so I can test the creating labels and all that stuff. I'm not actually going to send you anything until you're ready to buy the coffee, and then we can send you the coffee. You know what I mean? Set up a cron job to buy each month? Yeah, exactly. I feel like enter key on an item should maybe trigger add to basket instead of going to the cart maybe. Hey, that's a great idea. Let's do it, Rick. We'll do it today. But wait, on an item should maybe trigger add to basket instead of going to the cart. Oh, yeah. Like it navigates to the cart instead of adding to the... Yeah. I like it. In a few years, all e-com will use SSH? Probably not. There's a lot of friction. And, you want to make it frictionless for people to buy your stuff, but we've kind of gone the opposite direction. I don't know that that's going to catch on. Papa Al, thank you so much. Maybe I will need a German address. We'll just test all kinds of addresses. Company address. There you go. See, I just need addresses from various places in the world. You'll send your arch nemesis address. Okay, we got an ad starting in a minute. We're just going to be hanging out here talking. You won't miss much if you're one of the unfortunate few that is... Did somebody snooze the ads? Who snoozed the ads? It's fine if you did, but you don't have to snooze the ads. I'll snooze the ads. We don't really use addresses in Europe. We use GPS coordinates. I just want to get this first ad thing out of the way so that pre-rolls can be stopped and we can move on with our lives. We don't really use addresses in Europe. We use GPS coordinates. I don't believe that. That's not true, right? I'm pretty gullible. Did you guys use multimodal on Bubble Tea? I'm struggling to make it work. Multimodal. I don't know. I may have started working on it after they'd already laid that in place and made that decision. It's not the new, like they're working on a composition API. It's not that, right, Mr. Yogurt? That's not out yet, is it? I didn't think. Hold off on the addresses. I'm not ready for them yet. Oh, that's a generator. But does it generate real addresses? It has to be a real address for the thing to actually work. I think I accidentally snoozed it. Sorry, no worries. Automatically close all pop-ups. No worries. And it's not a big deal. It's just I guess I could just keep drinking coffee and talking to you guys. Whatever. We're gonna be talking a little bit longer before we start programming. Man, yesterday I gotta apologize. I got a little. I was really upset. I was really annoyed, and it wasn't any person. It wasn't any of you, obviously, and it wasn't Dax. I was just annoyed. It got spicy. I was annoyed because I literally couldn't believe it had been 3 hours, and that is where I was in my list. I ended up getting through the whole list, okay, except for international shipping. That list that you guys saw at the beginning of the stream, it was like 10 things, and I was stuck on the first one for 4 hours. I ended up getting through the list that day, but for some reason, it really triggered me when I saw that it was 3 hours into the stream, and that's where I was in my day. It wasn't anybody or anything anybody said. It was just that moment when I realized that, I was triggered. I was very triggered. And then everything after that was just super annoying. So, sorry for that. One of my friends lives in a remote area where her address is just a latitude and longitude. Are you serious? Oh, Paul, you can unban Dax. You banned him. So I banned him. Yeah, 3 hours of plain text. It was pain. Much pain. Everything about the situation was triggering. This is the Australian Prime Minister's address, publicly available when in SW. What? What is in SW, Raven? Are you using Raycast with Aerospace? So here's the thing. I am using Raycast in the sense that it is installed on my machine. I would be counted as a Raycast user. It runs every morning when I turn on my computer or whatever. Every time I turn on my computer, every month, I guess. It's always running. I don't use it. I don't know why I have it. New South Wales. Gotcha. Not safe work. No, I am a Raycast installer. I'm not a Raycast user. I keep it installed because every time I think I'm going to remove it, I see some tweet from somebody that I really respect that's like, man, Raycast is the best. I think Next is the one that really got me on it. Like, just, man, it's so good. Everybody says it's so good, and I just have never found a reason to use it or look into why I should use it. I feel pretty good with what I got going on. I don't know. Maybe somebody needs to sell me on like the feature that makes Raycast so good. All right, we got 2 minutes till ads. I'm gonna actually send this to YouTube. I'm gonna not do 4K for now because I'm not actually hardwired. Is my current OBS encoder? I don't actually know anything about. Well, we'll just see. Let's start it. I don't know. Failed to connect. Okay, well, there you go. I guess the stream key's probably old. Do I want to work through this? Do we want to send this to YouTube? Do you guys care? Why would you care? You're on Twitch and Twitter. Raycast is so good, especially with snippets. Okay. Not sold yet, but welcome to Chat by Cello. That was a good attempt. I love Raycast. Also a good attempt. What is good about it? I use no advanced features. I have Kiba. There's an aerospace plugin, apparently. Are you streaming 4K on YouTube? I think I need to watch on YouTube and open Twitch chat on the side. I will stream on 4K on YouTube eventually. I don't know that I will today because I haven't said anything. I just wasn't planning any of this. You know what I mean? I wasn't planning to do this, so I don't know if I have all my settings tuned. I'm just going to use whatever encoding is coming out of Twitch. How do I do the live thing? Where is the live thing? There's got to be a button or something. Go live. Found it. Okay, ads are going to start. All you're going to miss is me futzing around with YouTube. I don't know, fuddling? What is that? You're just going to miss me messing around with YouTube trying to get this thing working. So you're not going to miss anything, in other words. Window management is coming to the next OS X. I'm actually really excited for a lot of the new Apple OSs. I'm hoping to like start using more Apple stuff and just get benefits from that. Okay, stream, go live, connect streaming software. Let's see, default stream key. Copy. Okay, there's my stream key, and then those are my URLs. Do I have to do this every time? Does it not keep the same information? Whatever. RTMP key, is that the one? Yep, that's it. And then the URL. We'll see you all after the ads. Enjoy your ads. I really do appreciate you watching ads. It's very helpful, I guess, for paying for bandwidth, video bandwidth. Juggling while riding a unicycle? No. I can't do either of those things. Lewis Snip? What's Lewis Snip? Snippets? Okay, here. So Lambert's making a case. Snippets, clipboard history, two-factor authentication tokens, window management. Is that for the Raycast or for the new Apple stuff? Because they have a new passwords app that's going to have two-factor support, right? I'm actually excited about that. I'm excited about getting rid of all my third-party things and just using Apple stuff. And I'm going to stop using Google stuff. Why do I use Google stuff? Google sucks. I have keybinds on Raycast and Aerospace Messet, meaning getting wild. I give it a try because you. Oh, I sold you? Wait, because I was using Raycast, you gave it a try, and I don't even use Raycast? That's so funny. Or maybe you're talking to somebody else. Okay, username. Okay, let's try it. Connect. Is it connected? It's connected. We're on YouTube. I don't know why I'm being so flippant. Like I'm not excited about it. This is great. I want to be on YouTube. I just wasn't prepared to do it today. So I don't really know. I guess it's on. It's live. Okay, so how do I get chat? Somebody testing. 1, 2, 3. Does chat show up on here? No. Different hairstyle? Yeah, I just didn't put anything in it, you know? I just didn't really fix it. Yesterday I fixed my hair. Things did not go well on stream. So today, we're trying not fixing my hair. I'm not getting YouTube chat. I want to fix that. You write Laravel because of me? That's so funny. Only the real ones know. Not 4K? Ah, bummer. Somebody just chatted. Was that you? Who was that? That was somebody from Twitch that said they were going to watch on... Was that Ocelot? Who said they were going to do that? Okay, let's get YouTube chat working. Where is that? Where did I put that? Right here? Right here? Okay. Save settings. Maybe? I might be able to get this up pretty quick. Integrations? Where is that? Dashboard? What is going on? YouTube. Where are you? How do I... Am I an old man? Have I become an old man? I feel like I'm... Okay, there. YouTube, Adam Elmore. So why is the chat... Let's do this. Let's refresh it. Wait, Bertrand! Wait, it refreshed. Why did it refresh? I don't know why it refreshed, but it refreshed, and now we have YouTube chat. There you go. YouTube. You're here. Everybody's here. Twitter's here. Twitch is here. YouTube's here. No, I'm not in 4K on YouTube. Maybe I could fix that real quick. Actually, no, I'm not going to get nerd sniped. I'm not going to do the 4K thing on YouTube. I'll do it next time. Next time you see me on YouTube. Because I want all the VODs stored in 4K. My canvas in OBS is 4K. No one cares. You don't even know what that means. Do you guys want to see my... Are we off the ads now? Ads are gone. We're done with ads. Okay, you guys want to see my new keyboard? I'm just going to show you my new keyboard real quick. That's the one. There it is. Look at it. It's made of wood. It's literally made of wood. White oak. Mode Encore. Got the Obscura keycaps on it. It's not in focus, which I'm extremely annoyed by. It's not in focus. But whatever. It looks great. It sounds great. You're about to find out. Good stuff. Love the people at Mode. Love them. Okay, so we're on YouTube, we're on Twitch, we're on Twitter. If you chat, you'll see it on this screen. I'm about to go to my screen, though, and then nobody will see anybody's chat. I'm so sorry. Using it without the wrist support? Yeah, it doesn't look as good with the wrist support because the wrist support's a little bit wider than it. And I'm so weird about stuff like that. I also like all the AI features, and it has a color picker built in. Also, a lot of the dynamic features like a hex code to RGB. Ooh, okay, now RGB to hex is a thing I go to this stupid website for all the time. And I would love to have that built into it. Okay, so that's in Raycast, huh? Also, what's up, Sock? I just saw that Sock is here. Not enough to pay you. I have a Bitcoin ad. So much I love you, Adam. Thanks so much, Sock. I appreciate it. Okay, we're gonna go to the screen and we're gonna start working. I gotta put chat on the other screen. Should I just do it right now? Do you guys want me to just add chat? I don't know where to put it. Let's just try. I feel like it's going to be weird if you guys can't all see each other. Wrist support is a trap. You shouldn't rest your wrists on anything. Look at this. We're talking to people on YouTube. Hello, Gillatron from YouTube. I got to get used to not just thinking about the Twitchers and thinking about the YouTubers as well, because some people are on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to try and put chat on... let's see. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go properties. I'm going to copy the URL. And then I'm going to go to, let's just go to the screen. You guys are going to watch me work on OBS for a second, I guess. So if I put chat up here, you're not going to be able to see anything on this side of the screen. Maybe that's okay. Maybe I need to learn that like my dumb head covers a bunch of stuff and now also chat. That's what we're going to do. All right, so we're going to add browser source. I'm not going to do existing because I want to shape it differently, and I think you can't do that. Can you do that? Can you shape it differently? I think maybe you can. Maybe you can. Let's see. Oh, you can't see it, though, over all the, Okay, also, I don't think it's going to work. Yes. I don't think it's going to work to do the same. Here's what I'm going to do. Chat screen. We're going to do this. And we're going to do like 600 by 800 maybe. And then I'm going to do a background color. No. Huh. Does this not work? Because like this says alpha is 0. Let's just see what a black background looks like. Margin? I want some padding. Padding? 10 pixels? Auto? Wait, no. 10 pixels. Okay, let's try this. Life in a bungalow. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, where is it? Where is the data? I don't see any data. I don't see a background either. Where's the background? What's the deal here? Oh, there's some chat. 0 pixel doesn't need the pixels. Where's the background? I thought you could put a background on these. Can you not? Maybe not. YouTube is more aggressive with push notifications than people know to go to Twitch. Okay, interesting. Oh, that's not going to work when my camera goes big. The chat. Okay, I'm going to have to put this over the chat. Yeah. We figured it out. Okay, now, how do I make a background color? Can I not do it on here? I got to apparently... let's just get rid of the padding and the background color. And I'll just do this. I'll make like a rectangle or something. Dun, 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 dun. Can't you add just like shapes or something? Or an image, I guess? I can't just add like a shape. I think I have a camera frame image already. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. I might have to crop it. I think I can crop it though. Check it out. Chat is in big and real. Okay, now we gotta make this not horrible. I can't believe I can't just make a background. Can I just make a background? Did somebody say if that's possible? Have you messed with the bitrate and output resolution? What do you mean, Rock? On YouTube, is it bad? Ocelot mode encore sold out. Sorry, yeah, it was kind of a limited run thing. Do you need to ticket the custom CSS? Tick? How does the biggering of the camera work? No, it's based on my face position. If I look at the camera for a while, it makes it bigger. If I look away, it makes it smaller. Is the big in the room with us right now? Hold Alt to crop? Thank you so much, Seabolts. You'd think I'd know something at this point about OBS, but I do not. So hold Alt. Oh. I have Alt on a different key. I always forget what Alt is. Okay, so that's not going to look good because of the... I'll make a new one for next time. But this is going to work. It's going to work. Let's just put it like right here. And then I'll just make it a little tighter. And then we'll make it go to precisely 30. I think. Close enough. Okay, how's this looking? I can't put rounded corners on it, I guess. I'll work on this. It'll get better. It's a little scuffed. I don't like scuffed in my life, as you all know. But since you're a very high internet connection, maybe you could try it. Yeah. Let me see what you guys are talking about here. Okay, we got chat on the screen. It's a little rough. Have you messed with the bitrate? Let's see. Custom. It says custom frame rate. What? I don't know how I spend 3 hours on it to get nothing done. Yeah, I know. Easiest thing would be a color source and then make it transparent with chroma key filter. Great call, Hyde. I could have just done that. I'll in between this stream and next, I'll make the YouTube experience better. What OS? It's Mac OS. Last stream I told you about 1440p. Oh, you did, Oi Rock. I didn't do that on Twitch though. Look, Adams, I'm on stream. This whole stream is going to be Adam fixing his OBS. No. We're going to get on Terminal Coffee here very soon. Since you, very high internet, you said try the 1440p. We'll try that next time. All right. Bro, it's early. Oh, hey, we got a Twitter messenger. Look at the lonely little Twitter messenger. What's up, Spike? It's just everyone is on Twitch, and then there's a little bit of sprinkling of YouTube, and then the one guy from Twitter. I love it. Dot files? I do have a command for my dot files. Welcome to chat. Nicholas. Can you edit the CSS? Yeah, we tried that. Welcome to chat. Ghana. There you go. There's my dot files. Okay, let's get off of OBS. I'm over it. Now we've got Twitch on the screen, or we got chat on the screen. What's the other thing I was gonna do? I was gonna look and see. Is on YouTube, are you guys good? It's okay. It's not 4K, but it's okay. It's not like tripping out. I don't know what the OBS settings are right now, so I have no idea. It looks okay, I guess. I realized I can't see your chat. I don't see anything. One more from Twitter. What's up, Balsa? For virtual green screens, NVIDIA broadcast video codecs and visual effects is pretty dope. I'd like to play with that. I don't really do the green screen thing anymore, but I'd like to play with it. Okay, I guess YouTube can see me. They would have said loudly if it sounds awful or if it is like choppy or frame ratey or something. I don't know. We're fine. I do need to figure out how to get all my chat on this screen. I haven't figured that out yet, but we'll baby steps. Okay, baby steps. Let's add international shipping. What do you say to terminal? So the first thing I gotta do. Is go to our GitHub and find some code that I deleted. I was like, I won't need this anymore. Good morning, Zacharia. What's up? What's up? Hello from very hot Valletta. Neochromer's here. What's up, Neochromer? Let's go to history. That's production. We can go to dev. So right around here, final touches. Right around here, I deleted a bunch of code that I want to reference now. I think if I just browse from here, we should be good. Packages. It's under functions, API.ts. Here we go. This is the code, I believe. What am I looking for? I'm looking for customs. There it is. I literally scrolled right to it, and I just wasn't paying attention. Okay, so we got to do customs declarations on the shipping addresses so that customs can do their thing when we ship internationally. That's how this works. I'm going to apologize in advance to everybody who orders internationally and has to wait for their coffee beans through customs, because that could take a while. Vacation, trying to enjoy some sand and salty water. You're on vacation right now, Neochromer? I missed the pool before the work. My current project builds for an hour and doesn't start with changes if not built. Are you serious? Oh man, that sounds awful. I love a good dev experience. How can I order some? Great question, Oi Rock. SSH terminal .shop. If you're in the US, you can do that right this second. If you're not in the US, you can do it after I finish today's work. Once we get this going. Bun SSO. Let's just start doing stuff. Got to get AWS credentials. it's so like apparent that I'm using a new keyboard. It feels so different. I know it shouldn't be that big of a deal, but this is a 65% layout. I've been using an 80%, and everything feels different. And when you spend so much time at your desk working, something like your keyboard changing, it's like my only physical connection to my work. That's interesting, actually. Your keyboard is kind of, and your mouse, I guess. It's like your only physical connection to work. And when it changes, everything is different. I guess it's physical. Your eyes are seeing your screen. I don't know. Is that physical? Light is particles or something. I don't know. But like the only like touch, the only thing I can feel about my work is my keyboard, and it's different, and it feels different. Tactile. Good morning. I'm Leo Code. What's up, Bun Dev? We're gonna go into packages go. And okay, so we need to, I don't have this code, right? Yeah, customs is no longer in the code. So we got to go into functions. Actually, it might be in core shippo. Okay. We have a shippo directory. So this is where we create the shipment. Assert valid address. Okay. What is this? That's just like a API client. Okay. Wait a minute. If that's that, does anything use this anymore? I don't think anything uses this anymore. Somebody did something and it made a sound, but I don't see it in my activity feed, so I can't thank you. I'm sorry. Whoever just subbed, thank you so much. You know I appreciate your subs, even if I can't see them. Import from shippo. Import from shippo. No, can't do that. Shippo. Okay, nothing is using this code anymore. This is no good. Resource.shippo. Yeah, we do that right there. So I can just delete this file. Cool. Feels good to delete a file first thing in the morning. It was the Ibradev. Ibradev, thank you so much for that tier 1 sub. I appreciate it. Hype Train is close. A Hype Train. That's a Twitch thing for all you YouTubers. Would love 65%, but anywhere outside of terminal missing F keys is a pain. Yeah, not having the function keys does suck. Annihilator. Hey, Adam, have you ever had your Magic Trackpad lose its haptic feedback clickiness? No, I have not. Leo, I'm doing great. My weekend was great. Yesterday, not the greatest, but we got through it. Murano also? Oh, Murano also subbed. That's the one I didn't see. Oh, I see it now. Murano Fox. Thank you so much. Tier 1 sub, 2 months. It's me, no worries. Yeah, sorry. Sometimes it's like if you type a message, I think it delays the activity feed thing on Twitch. So I don't see I just hear the noise and I know somebody did it. And it fills me with joy, but I can't thank you because I don't know who it was. But Murano Fox, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. Thank you, Ibradev. I appreciate all your subs. I really do. Genuinely. From the bottom of my little streamer heart. Am I a streamer? I don't know. Sometimes I think maybe I'm not a streamer. I play around sometimes for months at a time and then I leave and I never come back. I'm feeling a little dark this morning. So no one won the MacBook yet? No, nobody won yet, Neocromer. People keep trying. Discord invites invalid. Yep. At some point I'm gonna fix that. People keep saying it and I keep not fixing it. We don't really hang out in that Discord much, to be honest. Me and Dax kind of started it, thinking we would hang out there, and then we just don't. I don't know. I don't know what I want to exist. Neocromer, this is a mode Encore. I just built it this morning. Well, I just put the keycaps on it. Mode built it. I don't build. Shipping method, USP ground. This is gonna have to change because the United States Postal Service does not ship to Germany. It turns out, birds aren't real. What? The streamer label is a bit cringe. Like the kids say, I don't like to use it. Yeah, I don't like to use it either. I'm a developer. I just happen to stream some of my work. Okay. So this is the point where I think we send out an event. Where is this? Let's just do shippo create shipment. Okay, so on order created, we do this, but now it's going to have to happen synchronously because we're going to have the shipping cost. So when you do order.create, we do what? We do, here's the post. So we convert cart right here. This is the code that is probably going to emit a new order event right in here somewhere, right here. Yep. Okay, so we emit an order created event, and that's what creates the shippo label. But now we got to do it inline because we need to charge for shipping for international. Postal service is still active. That's right, Lupo. Welcome to chat. I believe it still is. I believe so. Okay, I got to put YouTube chat over here because I hate neglecting YouTube chat and I can't see them, so I got to put it over here. How do I do it? Although nobody's really chatting from YouTube, so maybe I don't need to. I was going to put it over there, but no, I feel like if nobody's really chatting on YouTube, then I'm not going to spend the time. I'm not going to spend the time. Next time I'll have YouTube stuff set up. Okay. So now we need to do, it's going to basically be something like this. Await, shippo. Yeah. It's so weird having a new keyboard. Create shipment. Do we have order ID in scope? Is that, yeah, okay. So now we're doing it inline, and then over here, we would not do it. So the thing is, that kind of sucks, but that's fine. That's just life. Sometimes you think, oh, this could be done asynchronously, out of band, and not in the synchronous path. And then you find out it can't. And that's just how things work. So now shipment equals that. Oh, we don't even return anything from create shipment. Well, let's fix that. What should we return? We should return the this. What is this? No, this is just a post. We don't even know what the shape of that is. Well, that's probably what I need, actually. We log it so I can see what the shape of it looks like. Does Shippo not have some kind of TypeScript types? Shippo TypeScript types. I don't know. Look at this. Types Shippo. Feels good. Send it. What are we sending? Paul, what do we send? So when's the date to announce the giveaway winner? There is no giveaway right now. My overlays are broken. Did you get over the email issues? No. Can someone help us? I think Dax is working on it, but our email situation, nobody gets our emails. I sent out 7,500 emails yesterday. Like 300 people got them. When I say got them, like opened them. And I know all of them went to spam. So it's just people happen to look at their spam and see them. Every email we send goes to spam. Someone really destroyed our domain before we bought it from them. And I kind of hate them now because they sold us that domain for lots of dollars, knowing that it was a trash domain. Aside from that, we got to fix it. We got to figure out how do we fix this domain, the reputation. You didn't get one in my spam. Did you get it in your normal inbox, Adam? I think you need people to open them from spam and report them as fine. Okay, everybody, all 189 of you, just received in junk folder. Please report our emails as safe because we're trying to. You didn't get one at all, Adam, and you should have. You're on the list. Are you sure? It's possible that it didn't even get delivered to you. So some people, maybe it's not going to anything. Maybe it's not even going to their spam. What are you using to send emails? SES. It's an AWS service. It says it's going to be deleted in 9 days. Man, it's so annoying. The domain thing just keeps me up at night. Maybe that's what's keeping me up at night. Something's keeping me up at night. Can't sub to the email. Have you tried again? I fixed it. I fixed the website. Did you try subbing today? Terminal.shop. Me at adam.dev. It should be working now. Yeah, it's working now. I think. You just tried 5 seconds ago. You can't sub to the email on the website? That's a bummer. What did it say? Let's see here. I don't have anything in the logs. Can you transfer to something like terminal.store? Yeah, so we were debating buying terminal.store or terminal.shop. Terminal.shop is actually more expensive. Invalid email domain? Oh, really? Can you DM me, Ibra? Your email address? I'm wondering what. That's weird. So we debated between terminal.shop and terminal.store. We liked terminal.shop more, and it's more expensive. You can DM me on Twitch or on Discord if you want to find me on Discord, adam.dev. Anyway, yeah, it's a bummer because I didn't know to do research on terminal.shop as a domain, like that people might just have done terrible things with it. It's not even, okay, you just tried Seabolts. It's not even just email. It's email, but also our website is blocked for people in certain countries. Certain ISPs have blocked the website. I mean, they did some horrible things. Clearly, they like committed some war crimes or something. Same thing with the. Can't DM in Twitch since Twitch doesn't allow my Norwegian phone number. Jeez, all these restrictions. Can you find me, Ibra, on Discord? My username is adam.dev. I have a mail server so I can have a look at logs where I can get email from you. Where I can get email from you? What do you mean? Or where can I go to terminal.shop, Mr. Yogurt, and you can sign up? Is that what you mean? Have you tried using spamcheck.postmark app? I have not. Could someone try it for me? I'll try it right now. Copy link. Let's just try it. I gotta figure out why I'm not sleeping. It's not good. I'm not sleeping well, and that's not good. What am I supposed to do here? Paste an email message including full headers and content? What? Check the spam score of your email messages. Include the full headers and content, huh? Can I get that from here? On my way. You have a custom email address and it works, Stingley? We set up DKIM, SPF, DMARC. Yeah. I think DMARC. Actually, I'm not sure on DMARC. Welcome to chat, Todd Ball. Do you have DMARC? Oh, some more people asking. Yes, I believe so. I believe we have all that set up. The terminal shop .shop is available. Interesting. Email went straight to spam. That's such a bummer. When will we be able to buy coffee? Right now, Hidnesser, if you're in the US. And at the end of my stream, if you're anywhere in the world. But if you SSH terminal.shop, you can buy it right now from the US. Seems like it's kind of hot in Ozark right now. It is, actually. It's a little warm. Email went to spam. Welcome to chat, D-Buddha. I know, it's a bummer. You can get in Gmail by clicking the dots top right and clicking show original. Oh, really? Okay. That's how I can get the email. Okay, hang on. Wait for it. Let's go. I'm going to fuzzy. And I'm going to do my email. And let's see. Let's grab terminal products. Here we go. So show original. Oh, look at this. Copy to clipboard. Let's paste it in here. Is that it? Check score. Oh, it says it's good. That's actually worse. That's worse. Because if it's good, why is it going to... what is all this? I don't know. Contains a URL listed in the abuse serble. See? Look at this. What is this? What is this? How do we get off of it? You haven't got anything since the launch email. Bummer. Email is hard. Welcome to chat, Snack GPT. So here's the thing. Email is hard. I get that sentiment. I've done email. We've done it for years at StatMuse. Like, I know how to succeed with email. I don't know how to succeed when someone literally trashed your domain before you bought it. Like when you buy a domain third party and someone has spent literally years probably doing terrible things with that domain. I don't know how to get around that. I guess we could use a different domain. We could use our short domain. One DKM invalid DKM or DK signature exists, but is not valid. Oh, minus 2.8. Was mine minus 2.8? Mine says 2.2. Uh, is it freshly roasted for shipping? Yes. Miles to Budapest. It's roasted literally same day. So the first orders are going out today, and they're roasted today. Right now, you say, how does one search for a user in Discord? I don't actually know, Ibra. Also went to your spam. Yeah, we got to figure out the email thing. I think Dax is on it, but hey, could you unban Dax, Paul? Just so in case he wants to pop in. I just sent you the DM. Oh, thank you so much, Ibra. It's just checking the content though, nothing to do with the domain. Yeah, I don't think so. There's ways to like search the domain, I think, the validity score or something. They didn't warm up the email and ISP blacklisted it, but how the heck to fix it? I don't know. Exactly. I don't know. Why buy domains privately? Just go to aftermike.dan.com. Well, I did buy it like through some exchange kind of thing, but it was like a previous owner sold it to me. Almost impossible to rectify at the moment. Awesome. Welcome to chat. Red hot. Okay. Yeah, that needs a ban. Paul, did you see that one? I started to read it, and then I realized that's just by the name. I should have known. How do I ban you? How do I just click your name and ban you? I want to ban you right now. How do I do it? Did you get it, Paul? Maybe you deleted it. Yeah, okay. Thanks, Paul. Welcome to chat, Red Devil. Just in time. Also, Paul, while you're at it, could you unban Dax? DMark P quarantine could maybe help you, but major email providers only just required P none recently. We need to call DMark. Well, okay. Maybe I'm gonna abandon the email conversation. $5 unban Dax. I need to stay focused on the international stuff. Dax is supposed to be dealing with this stuff. Dax is supposed to deal with the email stuff, so I'm just gonna let him. Did I go off of fuzzy? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna ignore all this now. I need to get back to this. Definitely type shippo. So we can actually add some types. This will be good. Gotta stay focused. My job is, let's get international shipping going. Packages, functions, core, right? Yeah, core. We're gonna do bun add types shippo. Okay. Now I should be able to use these types, and I think, let's see if they've got any details here. Shippo node client? What? Oh, they've got a Shippo JavaScript SDK. I guess Dax just didn't want to use it. Huh. Add Shippo. Are we not using it? Why not? I wonder. Dax probably just didn't like the package. It was probably like, oh no, we do have it. Wait, what? Huh. Why do we have it but we don't use it? I bet Dax just didn't like the package. And he said, I can just do a post. But I'm surprised he didn't want types. There's no types on this. Okay. Well, should I just use this? Shippo addresses list. I don't know. I just wanted types, and now here I am reading about this. Customs declarations. You guys talking about email? I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on from the email conversation just because I realized oh, you unbanned. Thanks, Paul. Yeah, I'm not in charge of the email thing. Lord of the Ozarks, that's right. Might be time to have a convo with your team about choosing a different domain. Yeah, we've been talking about the domain a lot. There's conversations around, yeah, we could use a different domain for email. So we do own trm.sh, which is like our short URL. Maybe we just need to use that for email. The website is still an issue, but yeah, terminal.store is 3,000. We looked at terminal.store before we bought terminal.shop. Terminal.shop was more expensive, but we liked it better, so we bought it, and turns out it's garbage. I don't love the terminal.shop. They don't let Adam use email anymore after yesterday. What is the StatMuse stack for front end? Someday I would like to work in your company. I'm from Columbia. Junior right now. When you say Columbia, like Columbia, Missouri, or the country? Junior right now, but one day it might be possible. So the stack is Astro and Svelte. Astro and Svelte. Country of Columbia. That's so cool. Ordered my coffee. Confirmation went to spam. Sounds right. Checks out. Yeah, Columbia is the country. Columbia is in the U.S. There's in the state I live in the U.S. in Missouri. There's a Columbia, Missouri. It's where the college is here in Missouri. So when he says he's in college and he's in Columbia, I just think, oh, maybe he knows I'm from the Ozarks. Anyway, make it a feature. Mulletstack.com's available. That's so funny. Okay, so I just want the types. I just want to know what is the type of this thing. This shipment is a... I guess I could put like generics on this. Let's just do this. And then we'll just say JSON.stringify as T, maybe. So if you say it's a T, you get back at... No, it doesn't work. Because then we do this. What? Oh, that's not... Sorry. That's the input. As T. Oh, as any right there. Huh. What if I don't as any that? I wonder why he had that there. Okay, I can at least like type it now. Maybe there's a reason he wanted that to be any. I don't know. I'm gonna say this is a shipment. Oh, I already had the types from here. Is that a type? Yeah. What's wrong with that? Oh, well, for one thing, I deleted the... Yeah. Okay, so now it's a shipment. Order is of type unknown. I gotta go in here. So this order, I gotta type order. Yep. Look at this. We're flying. But why doesn't ToAddress exist? Oh, that doesn't seem right. I just wanted types, but this is not types. This is, well, because it's like types shippo. Huh. Where does types shippo go? Welcome to chat 2CX3. What about Matt Pocock? What did he do? Is Matt here? No. First time chat. Welcome to chat. Terminal.rodeo is a bargain. Hey, welcome to chat. Power Man rules. What do you got here, Mr. Yogurt? That's some information that would help us with the email, I guess. Oh, DKIM is not valid. We've just... Okay, so we do need to fix the DKIM issue. DMARC past none. Okay, we have lots of issues. How's Missouri Pizza Store? It's good. It's great. It's a little hot right now this time of year. What the shippo? It's what we use for creating the labels. Emailing from a subdomain? I had that same question. I don't know, but I'm going to defer to Dax. I'm going to let Dax figure out the domain thing, because it is a problem. Like, none of our emails are delivered, and that's a problem. Do I want to use the shippo thing and stop doing this? Do I want this all strongly typed through the shippo client? Because I can't figure out how to use... Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's bun push D bun remove. Is it bun remove? I think bun remove shippo. Okay, now we can't import from shippo. Maybe it'll tell me where I can import from. Those are not what I want. I want from types shippo. Which is this. Is it this thing? No, that's the shippo JavaScript SDK. Yeah, this one. Files were exported from... Dun, 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 dun. Let's see here. Uh, dev dependencies, types, shippo. How do I import types from this thing? Namespace shippo. But are these gonna be? These are gonna be lined up with the SDK, so they're not gonna actually be the same. I wish Dax was here. I want to ask him why he didn't use. Oh, ads are starting. Yes, Dax, I totally agree, but he's acting like he can't see your messages. Wait, what? You're messing with me. You're messing with me. Welcome to chat, Gerbils. Muga. What's Muga? What font and Neovim color scheme is this? Wait. He can't see Dax's messages? Wait. Is Dax actually messaging? Are you guys just messing with me? I feel like you're just messing with me. Can I really not see Dax's messages? Okay, we're on ads. I want to know why I can't see Dax's messages. Someone tell me. I didn't mute Dax. They're not showing up on this either, so I know you guys are lying to me. See, Oyrock. Oyrock's, he can't see Dax either. He's foiled your plans to troll me. That's funny. Trolling so hard. Okay. I'm gonna ask Dax why he didn't use the shippo thing. I don't need him to join my stream to ask him questions. Dax is in the shower. Yeah, probably. Ibra, you're trying so hard. Hi, Dax. I love reading your messages here. You guys are funny. Okay. Soon as these ads are over, hopefully Dax will answer my question about the Shippo SDK. I could just use the Shippo SDK. I could just do that. I don't know. I think that's what the old code was doing. The code I wanted to copy. Is it? Let's see. No. Maybe not. Shippo. Oh, yeah, it is. It's using the Shippo SDK. I think. Shippo. Yeah, wait, Shippo, customs declarations. Okay. No. Our ad's over. Oh man, I missed a perfect opportunity to pee. I have to pee, and I could have done it while the ads were running. What a fail. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to pee, and just while there's no ads or anything. You're just gonna have to see my break screen. I'm so sorry. Not a great domain. Yeah, terminal.shop listed in PH abuse, Serval phishing, malware, and cracked site removal request. Sounds bad. Do you know anything, Mr. Yogurt, about how to remove said domain from said lists? Is it possible? Do you know anything about this? Serval analysis. Can someone remember to give this link to Dax? Okay, I will give it to him right now. Copy link. Let me just give it to him right now. Hang on. I'm going to post it in our chat. Okay. So I got to make a call on the shippo thing. Is the form for removal. Oh, it is the form for removal. Okay. The email sign up thing magically worked while I went pee pee. Yeah, me and Ibra have been talking while I was peeing. Spent 10 plus years dealing with emails. Oh, Mr. Yogurt, we're going to be friends because we got to solve this and I need your help. Including unsubscribing link in every email allegedly helps. We do that. Well, we don't on our transactional emails. You're saying we should on transactional as well? I got to fix something in YouTube. The stream details are so wrong. It says I'm working on Rebase TV, which is hilarious. How do I fix it? Edit. Building a coffee shop in the terminal. I'm not going to put anything in the description. Okay, cool. So YouTube, you've got a better title now. You're welcome. We're on Twitter. We're on YouTube. We're going to decide what to do with the shippo thing. Me hear you, mate. I think it's worth a shot. Okay. Any plans for split keyboard? No. No. Alexi, I am a unified keyboard only kind of guy. It'd be so funny if the whole user.name was a reason the emails aren't trusted. No, it's definitely not that. But that would be funny. User data policies in browsers and consents. Why JSX email instead of React email from recent? Moreno, great question. Dax is a big fan of JSX email. It's Shellscape, who's a friend of Dax and I's, and maybe Tejan Prime. I'm not sure. Okay. What's up, Project Day? Always include in the footer, you're receiving this email because X and unsubscribe from marketing, even if the email wasn't marketing. Oh, interesting. So you do that in every case. Oh, good song. Let's see here if that was Dax messaging me back. Yeah, okay. Okay, so he wants to avoid the SDK. That's all I needed to know. That's all I needed to know. I'm not going to have types, and it's fine. Or will I? I think that might be coming from, no. Is shipment coming from, no. I don't know how to import from the types shippo thing. Like, is that? Type, oh, that is it. Okay. Okay. Order. No, order's not in there though. That's weird. Post orders. What is it then? Let's look at the definitely typed thing. Order? Huh. So there's no type for order. Oh, and I also need to see if the type is actually correct, because this shipment type might be... Why can't I go to that? Why can't I go to that? Shipment. Or ship... What is it? Shipment. Is that it? Nope. Create shipment request. Okay. Namespace shipment. Interface shipment. Address from. I just want to see if this is actually correct. I think it actually is. Okay. So it is typed correctly according to the shape of our actual thing. For some reason, they don't have an order. Let's see. To address. No. Object ID, carrier, and shipment. Huh. I don't know. These types are worthless. Whatever. Definitely types look like it's for the deprecated node client, not the... Yeah. And we're not using the JavaScript SDK, so that would have been fine. Can you just keep a .d.ts file? Yeah, I don't know. Why would there be order, though? Well, because their API has an order concept. I think it's just a very outdated types thing. Like, this is actually pretty good. The shipment, I think. Oh, no, it's not. It doesn't have object state, and that's clearly part of it. Whatever. We're over it. We're over it. Let's just do this. Get checkout all. I didn't change anything I want to keep, right? Oh, I did change some things. Never mind. I gotta manually make these changes. Whatever, it's gonna be innies. We're just gonna inni it. Any away. Okay, I got that file fixed. I did want to keep the fact that I changed this. I need to get something on that. We need to return something. And then I also want to remove the definitely typed thing, type shippo. Cool. Oh, nope. Bun install. Let's just get those types removed. Okay, so we removed the shippo SDK that we were no longer using. Feels good. You got VAT? What's VAT? That's like a customs thing, right? We're getting ready to have VAT. Why would there be 3 hours in already? No, it's not. Paul, you almost had me. I was almost so triggered. Ugh. Almost so triggered. Also, did my notifications break? I believe notifications are broken. Whatever. VAT is a taxed value added tax. That's right, in the EU. All right. So we're not going to have types. We're just going to wing this. Over here, I've got this code that does the customs declaration. If address, country, yeah, it's just like this. That's an address validation. Okay. Let's just copy all this code over. Why is it upset about order being type unknown now? It wasn't upset earlier when... Oh, because Dax did the as any down here. Now TypeScript's like, whatever. Just do whatever you want. This is basically JavaScript now. So we log the order, we log the shipment. I got to do this before the shipment, but not before the order, I guess. Were we not doing anything with order before? Order? No. We're not doing anything with shippo orders before. Right? No. Okay. Customs. So, I don't know what the order is, actually. I actually have no idea. What is order? What is an order? Is that just where you choose things like the shipping method? So then the shipment has the order, address, object ID, and then parcels, carrier account, and service level token. That's all going to have to change. Okay. So do I probably need to do it before this order is created. Okay. So let's see. If address.country, what is our address object now? On the items, we have an address right here. Okay. So if it's going to be order, is there an order? No, there's no order. Items. Did I create an order down here? Oh, there. That order is different. Shipping. What is shipping? Oh, shipping is what I want. Shipping. What is this? This is the... Oh, that's the dot address. Perfect. Shipping country does not equal US. I don't know if that's lowercase or uppercase. Let's do to uppercase. Okay. So if the country does not equal US, okay? Okay? Here we are. We made it. Brexit means Brexit. Can't you just make a call request to Sandbox or whatever to see the result? That's a good call, Alexi. I could. I don't think I need anything that I don't have, because we've already done all this work. I had it working, and then Dax just didn't bring it over to the new API. So the API, let's see, like how did that one with orders work? Oh, it's down here. API post and then the path. So it's gonna be post like that. Oh, no method. It's just the body at that point. Oh, there's an extra one of those. What's the problem? What's the problem here? Post orders, and then you just put the body in line as an object. And then that's it. So what am I doing here? We have the object, end of the object right here, and then I don't need this one. Just like that. Okay. Let's see. Customs declaration. We're going to post to customs declaration. Contents type. All that should be good. Items. Quantity. Okay, so it's different for Canada. I remember that. Let's just do this. Const country. And then if country does not equal US. And then down here I can just say if country equals Canada, not California. That is not the country of California, actually. Breakfast means breakfast. What are we talking about here? What about Canada, though? They just they get a little extra special attention. See what I'm saying? They get a special EELPFC. I totally know what I'm doing. I totally know what I'm doing. Roasted coffee beans, 12 ounce value amount. This is all hard coded. Oh, that's right. It's just per item, right? I can actually. Do I have to put each type of thing here? I bet I do. I bet items has to be if they've got multiple items. Probably. No value exists in scope for the shorthand property quantity. So the number of bags of 12 ounce value, all that has to be, yeah. I bet I have to do this per item. So it's going to be like items, items, and then it's going to be items.map. Yeah. Like this. Nope. Okay. Something like this. Description can stay like that. Quantity, item, dot quantity. Feels so good. Value amount. That's per, I think that's per bag. So item, do I have price on here? Amount is the total, like the subtotal. I'm going to put price on here. I'm going to put price in the query right here. Price is going to be product variant table price. Do I have that? Yes. Okay. So that's price. I think that's how we do this. Oh, no, that's got to be divided by 100. What did it say before 22? Just the number 22? So this whole thing divided by, yeah. As a string, do I need to like do this? To string? I want no decimals. So should I say just explicitly 2 fixed 0? Should I do that? Let's do it. Let's F it all up. Americans can't just full English. Welcome to chat. Osriel Ungodly Keyboard Sound. It's a new keyboard actually today. I mean, all my keyboards sound good, but this is a brand new one. So you're getting the first tippity taps on this keyboard on this very stream. Do you have your NVIM config? Yes, there you go. .files. Okay. So we have the value amount now. Currency, all that looks good. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to try. We're sure going to try. What's wrong with this now? Okay, this closes that. Oh. How about that? Yeah. I think that's how we have to do it. Because I think you have to actually specify... I wonder if value amount's supposed to be... Let's look up this Shippo customs. I'm using Shippo as like my educator. Understanding customs declarations. Feels good. Critical that you're not vague in describing your item. Oof. Okay. Critical. Customs fees. Should I just select? What? Incoterm that you select when you do your customs declarations. Do I see Incoterm? I don't see Incoterm. Oh, geez. International's hard. Default option means that to your customer, the recipient will be responsible for paying the customs charges for receiving the package. Ooh. Since the recipient will be responsible for these charges, we recommend you proactively inform them. Carrier will contact the customer for payment instructions once the charges are calculated and the package is ready for final delivery. If you collect your recipient's email and or phone number, UPS will contact the recipient via email or text with a secure link to prepay custom fees before the package's arrival. I may need to get phone numbers for international. I can also pay DDP. This is common when sending a gift internationally. U.S. Postal Service does not enable DDP for shipments. All USPS. Oh, the Postal Service does do international shipments. Huh. Interesting. What? Free carrier shipments are supported only by FedEx and DHL Express. With FCA, you deliver the goods cleared for export at a named price or named place. The shipment can be delivered to a carrier nominated by the buyer. Your buyer must nominate a carrier. I don't know what that means. Okay. Shipping to the EU. Oh boy. Merchants shipping into or between EU member states are asked to provide item descriptions in plain language that is priced enough for customs authorities to be able to identify the goods. I mean, roasted coffee beans is pretty plain, right? You should choose men's shirt instead of apparel. Yeah. Information will be displayed on the label for all shipments include customs documentation. We're good on that front, at least. Man, this is so... tax VAT codes determine how a merchant will be assessed for tax purposes. One seller may have multiple numbers depending on the countries they're shipping from to. So this varies. Shipment tax is called the EIN. Okay, so I have to put our EIN on here. U.S. Customs Border Protection guidelines require that import-export filings include the shipper's EIN. VAT stands for value tax. VAT numbers are widely used rather than EIN in Europe, the UK, and elsewhere. Make it stop! Farage's great solution to small boats is to stop working with the French, which is at least stopping 40%. He is a BS artist. What are we talking? Who's Farage? You guys talking like UK politics or something? Maybe. Hey, West Boss will have a lot of good info on international shipping and labeling, FYI. Thank you so much, Annie. Later. Thank you so much for that. I'm gonna see. I think they have a guide here. Oh, effective 20. Okay. I think there's a guide like, yeah, here we go. I think I didn't need to read all that. I think this will just be like, here's how to do it. Declaring customs items. Okay, open the customs items, add customs in the description for the item, check. Description, check. Quantity, check. SKU, we don't have it. Weight per item, check. Value per item, okay, so it is per item, that's good to know. Value per item, country of origin, got it. So we checked all those boxes. If it qualifies for payers, reduce these managed top and net for. Okay. Required fields, content type. Got it. I feel like I already did all this, but I'm just double checking. Incoterm. So I don't see Incoterm. I wonder if there's an API version of this. Like how to do this through the API. Shoo. Don't worry, Adam. This week we have elections and it's spicy, but we should cool down. That's in the UK. You have elections. Rick, I just like how. Oh wait, welcome to chat, Anthus. Oh, also Zach Demac, welcome to chat. What? Last place I thought I'd hear about Farage is in your best interest to prevent talk on British politics in this chat. It is not a pleasant topic over here at the moment. I will not talk about it because I don't know anything about it.